AI is creating millionaires right now, but at the same time, it's quietly replacing millions of jobs. And most people have no idea which side they're about to end up on, because this isn't like past technology shifts. This is happening faster, cheaper, and at a scale we've never seen before. One tool can now do the work of entire teams: writers, designers, coders, analysts. Tasks that used to take hours now take minutes, and that changes everything. Companies don't think emotionally, they think in efficiency. If one AI tool can replace 5 people, that's exactly what they're going to do. That's the uncomfortable truth. But here's the other side of this. The same tools replacing jobs are creating completely new opportunities. And this is where the gap is forming. There are 2 types of people right now. The first group sees AI as a threat. They avoid it, ignore it, hope it doesn't affect them. The second group sees AI as leverage. They learn it, use it, build with it, and those people are getting ahead fast. Because AI isn't just about automation, it's about amplification. It takes what you can already do and multiplies it. If you understand marketing, AI can scale your output. If you understand business, AI can increase your efficiency. If you understand content, AI can help you produce at a level that used to require a team. That's how people are becoming one-person businesses. And some of them are turning into million-dollar operations, not because AI is magic, but because it removes friction. What used to take time, money, and people now takes strategy. That's the shift most people are missing. AI doesn't replace thinking, it replaces execution, and if you're only valuable because of execution, you're at risk. But if you can think, decide, indirect, AI becomes your advantage. Let's make this simple. Old model, you trade time for money. New model, you use tools to multiply output. That's how income scales. And this is why some people are accelerating, while others are falling behind. Now here's the dangerous part. Most people are still playing by old rules: get a degree, get a job, work harder, save money, but the game has changed. Hard work without leverage is slow, and AI is the ultimate leverage tool. So the real question is, are you using it or competing against it? Because you don't need to be an expert, you just need to be slightly ahead of the average person. That's enough to create opportunities. You can automate small businesses, start content channels, build digital products, offer AI-powered services. The barrier to entry has never been lower, but attention is still low because most people are hesitant, and that hesitation is expensive, because early adopters always win the biggest. That's true with every major shift, and AI is no different. Now let's zoom out for a second. This isn't just about tools, it's about how you think about money. If you rely on one income source, you're exposed. If that income depends on tasks AI can replace, you're vulnerable. But if you build systems, if you create multiple streams, if you use leverage, you become hard to replace. That's the real goal, not just making money, but building something that can grow, adapt, and survive. So yes, AI is destroying jobs, but it's also creating one of the biggest wealth opportunities we've seen, and most people will miss it. Not because they can't do it, but because they don't adapt fast enough. If you want to be on the right side of this shift, you need more than just tools. You need a system, a way to structure your income so you're not dependent on one thing. That's exactly what I break down in my next video. The 3-income system that makes you financially unkillable. Watch that next. Because in a world that's changing this fast, you don't just need to work harder, you need to build smarter.